Hi, I'm Monster 1970. Today I'm going to be rebuilding the mower deck on my TORO ZTR. Let's get started. Drop shit. First thing I'm going to do is take this side cover off. So got that off. There are 3 bolts to hold this on. Set that off to the side. I'm going to flip this over and take the blades off. I'm going to take this over and give it a spraying down, get all this grass out of here. Okay, moved up to a 1/2-inch drive impact gun, and this is a 15/16 socket. See if this will come off. That was pretty good. X001LWKXWH. Got these from Amazon. Comes with the bolt to the top for the pulley, and it comes with new bolts to install it. Here's one of the old ones. Here's the new one. Looks the same. Now let me get a 13 millimeter. Just gonna make them nice and snug. Get my hand up underneath here. impacting down. This one. I am going to put a little bit of never sees on them. There we go. Now I'll get the new pulleys. I've got the new pulleys. These are a X002E2YKPT or PL-106-2175. It's a 3-piece set. Let's get these put on. They match up. They look pretty close. Put it on the threads. Get this pulley out of the way. Okay, move that out of the way. Go is a -3550LI or 3580 LW. You should measure before I put it on. We're just gonna screw it. We're just gonna put it on. It's the wrong side. It's the wrong side. There we go. That's better. Okay, so I'll take this out and see if it actually fits on the mower. There's the notch. You can see that hook up on the opposite side. I've got to lower the mower deck, the control arm, the mower deck lift lever, and then slide the deck up into here so it locks in place. And then I've got a hook up here I need to put through. Put a pin in, washer on it. So let's get that done. Lower the mower deck down as far as it'll go. Now, slide the mower deck back a little bit. And then work it up on there. I'm gonna have to put this down. Got the mower deck hooked in onto the lift arm. I've got to get this lined up, which looks like it's going to slide forward a little bit. There we go. I got that on there. Just got to put a washer and then the clip through. And then hopefully the mower deck belt. Lifted the mower deck up the whole way, gave me less resistance, and it is the right size belt. I got it on. I want to check the pulleys and make sure everything's lined up properly. The belt's on right on this side. It's in that idler. It's in the one idler in the center, the pulley. It's in the idler in the back. And on the tensioner, I just gotta check it on the opposite side. Belt's on the pulley on this side, so everything should be good. Should be good to go. Well, that'll do it for rebuilding the mower deck on my TORO ZTR ride mower. I hope you liked this video. Please like, share, and subscribe, and stay safe. Thanks for watching.